'Cause I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose who I gave.
Good morning, guys. So today is Sunday, and yeah, today is just Sunday. Anyway, I'm going to this. What's up with my hair? I look crazy. Hold on. Anyways, that looks better, right? I don't know. I'm meeting up with I forgot her name. No, I'm meeting up with Blue Rose today. She has a YouTube channel, and she's having a meetup in Baltimore today, or White Marsh or something. I usually don't go to Baltimore, so I don't know anything about Baltimore. So yeah, we're gonna head over that way to go meet up with her, and my battery's dying. Great, Janice, really. So I don't know. I'll see you guys there. Say good morning, Maddie. Good morning, baby. Her eyelashes are so long. Where? So we're at the this park. What is it? Park, honey?
Brookside Gardens.
And it is so pretty. Like, haven't been here since they remodeled it, so it should be fun, right, man? We came here kind of late because there's a lot of people in the little tiny house. That's a tiny house right there. That's the video that went viral, and that's what we meant when we said tiny house for a family of 6. It was a tiny little playhouse for kids at the little park thing here. I love this park. I don't know, I feel like when we do renew our vows, whenever that is, I'm gonna do it here. I want to do it here, but I don't know. But I think I might do it at a church, and then have this Jamaican restaurant cater our reception. I don't know, so we shall see if that's what I do. Which way are we going? This way? Want to go that way? Because there's nothing really down there. So yeah, so we're gonna meet up with Blue Rose today. I think I told you guys. And so far, my husband took me for breakfast, and it was really good. It was very expensive. So Miss Maddie is out here enjoying nature. Maddie. So what do you think, honey? Do you like it?
What, here?
Yeah, now that it's remodeled and stuff.
It's nice.
It's nice. It's a killer walking up these hills. I'm not an outdoor person at all. I don't like to be outside because of bugs, and you smell like you've been outside. It's just like, hi, Maddie.
What? Are you gonna be a YouTuber, Mommy? You said? You said you're gonna be a YouTuber?
You ask the most random things. What do you mean, if I'm gonna be a YouTuber?
And I understood that.
You're asking me if I'm going to be a YouTuber.
No, I said, are you gonna meet?
Oh, yes. Another YouTuber? Yes, I'm going to meet another YouTuber. I'm tired.
We're trying Robin and Batman.
My arms hurt. And carrying this baby is not making it any easier. Hi! La 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 la. Hi! La 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 la. No, I'm not going in the woods.
It just goes around.
Yeah, I don't know about all that.
Maddie, you gotta really pull the lighting out of the water.
Say hi, Maddie. Say hi.
I like holding cameras. It's fun. Sorry, honey, camera, Joanne.
Just don't be recording other people because then I have to edit it out.
Okay, I'm just recording you.
I know.
Hey! I want the white camera so I could just do this.
Oh. Just a Jackie has that camera now.
What camera?
The white.
The white one.
It's more easier. Maybe I won't buy one.
Hey! La 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 la. What's all the signs?
Butterflies.
Oh. We're going to see the butterflies. I'm tired. I'm exhausted from walking.
You want to sit down?
I don't want to sit in the
Okay.
on those chairs. I don't know. There might be snakes or something, or bugs or something. Maddie, is it good? Is it good? What did you order?
Pablo Rita. Pablo Rita, like margarita, but Pablo Rita. It's got vodka, triple sec, something else.
The glare from there is really bad. Maddie's trying to pick up a just one. Go.
We're playing tic-tac-toe.
I won, so it's my turn. I'll let you go first this time.
You can't beat me at tic-tac-toe. Can't beat me at tic-tac-toe.
I did.
No, you can't. Where?
Oh, I can.
Where? Where?
Oh, I did.
You can't do it. You think you're slick?
Nobody won.
You think you're slick? Can't beat me.
Yeah?
Where? You didn't get anything.
I know.
Hey, Mama. Look at me. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Come on.
Wait, you're the artist?
Yeah.
That night?
I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you.
You got me.
I'm gonna beat you. Oh no. I'm gonna beat you. Look, see? I just need one more right there.
What?
I just need one more right here. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Yeah. You had me.
I haven't been to Don Pablo since the one that closed in. Since they closed the one in Laurel. So we have like 2 more hours before we meet up with Blue Rose. So we're at Don Pablo having lunch. So hi. Say hi.
She wants a big laugh.
Say hi.
Say hola. Say hola. Say hola, mami.
This is a huge salad. Use the fork to cut it. What did you get, honey?
Taco.
What did you get, Maddie? What do you have? Let me see. French fry? You want to hold
You
her?
take her?
Yeah, take her.
Oh, that's my camera. Hey guys!
Hi. Some of you guys might know her.
Oh, so y'all came all the way from
Yeah, it was like, so I recruited him to drive, and I was like,
Oh my goodness.
So you gotta go to White Mart. What?
I didn't even know where it was. I was like, where is White Mart? And I put it in and it was like an hour away.
Oh my goodness.
And I was like, okay.
Oh, let me get this one here.
So,
Guys, they drove an hour.
I know.
An hour to see me. Wow, that's amazing.
oh, the ears are so big. Like,
I know, where is Drea?
I know.
Somebody else too.
Like the star of the show. Like, where's Drea?
Don't take no
Oh, there
pictures.
Yeah, I
she is.
just spray on her.
Where is she?
Over there pushing the stroller.
Wait, let's see. Let's see. If we can.
Here she goes.
I just dip my hand inside or just get water.
That's my
That's fine.
It's hot out here. I'm starting to sweat.
I know. How long y'all been here?
About, we had lunch at the Albornoz.
Oh, okay.
Look who's here. Finally.
Always nice to meet you. Oh,
Good
look
to see
at
you
Jaden. Hey, Jaden. Say hi.
Look at Miss Mason.
Mason, why does she look so much bigger than the last time I
She's
saw
huge.
her? Oh my gosh.
She's huge.
Immediate. Can't do it.
You heard the baby.
That was pretty cool though.
It was. I slept good last night.
Come on, Maddie. Come on. Come on. Come on, Maddie. Come on, Maddie. You got it, girl. Come on. Come on, Maddie.
She's like, Daddy, I don't want to do this no more.
So I think we're going home now. And we met up with, this is one of our subscribers.
Hello.
Hi. And then we have Drea. Where's Drea? Oh, she's trying to get in the shade already. She over there.
A little bit. Yeah. Okay. I drive it.
Mason, my side.
And then we got Blue Rose.
Hey, y'all.
And then we got Drea. So we're about to leave out now. We got like an hour to go, so yeah. So we are in the car. We're in the car, obviously we're in the car. But it was so nice. But that's, do you think that's, oh, it's a stop sign. It was so nice to meet Drea and Blue Rose. So if you're not subscribed to Blue Rose channel, go check out her channel. She is so sweet and her boys are just so adorable. Like, especially I think it's Mason. He is so funny. He was like, I'm gonna save my ice cream. So anyways, and Drea, of course you guys know Drea because a lot of you guys came from Drea's channel, so it was nice. And then meeting up with one of our subscribers. It was, I'm all over the place and I'm so hot and burnt. Whew, I'm so burnt and hot. Like when I get home, this whole thing is just gonna be gone. Like, whew, my pants, my blouse, my bra, everything is gonna be gone. Like, I'm so hot. Like, whoo, baby, you hot? You look hot. It's like, and it was really nice of my husband to agree to drive me all the way down here because I didn't know know where this white marsh was or whatever. I just plugged it into the GPS and it said it would be an hour and something. And I was like, oh, that's a lot of driving for me to do, because, you know, homegirl don't like to drive. So he was like, he volunteered to take me. And of course, he had to make a whole day worth of it. So we went to breakfast. We went to lunch. And I think that's it, because he ain't spending no more money on us. He ain't spending no more money.
It's enough for one day.
You broke? Are you broke?
No. Well, that's enough eating out for a whole month.
We're never gonna eat out again for the rest of our lives, because yeah. But it was fun. On a serious note, it was fun getting to spend time with just our two boys, because Destiny and Jackson is with their grandparents. So it's kind of fun just hanging out with the two boys, and we don't get to do that on a regular basis. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that's something to enjoy. So I will see you guys when we get back over at our house. It's gonna probably be a minute. Yeah, but yeah. Getting back in the house, and Jojo chewed up the carpet. Chewed up the carpet. Nice. Great. So I'm just getting back in the house. I am so exhausted. Like, I'm so tired. Whew. I'm tired. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. If you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine, and I will talk to you guys on did I just say that? Bye guys.